This is the quality report for the S4001 glove. What we have here is the sample glove that we received prior to the purchase. This is a very nice glove, very soft leather glove. It's very high quality, thick leather, very strong glove. It has got very nice detailing on the cuts of the leather, very nice stitching all around. Straight lines, straight fingers, nice soft leather. It's cushioned on the inside. What we're going to do in this video is we're going to compare this glove to the production glove that we received and show you a lot of differences between what we ordered and what we received. Let's go over cuts of the leather and detailing of the stitches. This is again the sample. Please note the quality of the stitching, the uniform straight lines on the leather on every finger, on the reinforcement on red. I'm going to turn it around. This is very consistent on the sample. Nice cuts, nice detailing. I'm going to change this now for what we received in production. This is the production glove that we received. Please check out the detailing on the cuts of the leather and the stitching. This is terrible. It's full of holes, and the stitching is very poor. Check out the detailing and the stitching everywhere on the glove. Very poor, no straight lines. Check out the cuts on the leather. There's flaps everywhere. Down here, for example, again, very poor stitching, lots of loose leather everywhere. This one actually is even torn on the underside. I'm going to show you another one, and again, every glove is coming like this. Every glove. Look at the detailing on the leather. Look at the detailing on the cuts. Every glove production is looking like this. Terrible, not at all what we received in the sample. Very different product. We're going to talk about material quality. I'm going to show you the quality of the leather and the production gloves that we received. The sample glove had very thick leather, very strong. Production glove, this is very thin material. It's very flimsy. You see, it crumbles. This will come apart without any strength. This is not leather at all. I am not applying any strength, and this is coming apart just with my fingertips without doing much effort at all. The quality of the leather is very poor. This comes apart very easily, not at all, not even close to the sample that we received, which was full thick leather. I want to show you the difference between the lining on the inside of the glove, between the sample, this is the sample on the right, and production. The sample glove has a very nice thick lining on the inside. This is very soft. When you put this glove on, it's very comfortable, very soft. Production, it's entirely different. This is another material at all. This is very flimsy. You see, it comes apart. Just like that. It's coming apart. This is entirely a different material. This is garbage. Nothing compared to the lining on the sample glove, which is very nice, very thick. Check out the weight difference between the samples. This is a sample. It's at 114 grams on the scale. This is another sample. It's at 115 grams on the scale. We're gonna weigh 2 production gloves. This is production, it's at 95, 20 grams less. And this is another production, it's at 94, 20 grams less. It's 20% less material. We're gonna use this digital caliper to measure the thickness of the leather for this glove. This is the sample glove. We're gonna measure the thickness of the reinforcement. It stands at 60 thousandths of an inch, 59 thousandths, 64 thousandths, 64,000. Between 64 and 59 thousandths of an inch for the sample glove. This is a production glove. We're going to measure the same leather, the same reinforcement. It stands at 46,000, different points, 43,000, 45, 46,000. Very different leathers between the sample, 60 thousandths of an inch, and the production at 45 thousandths of an inch.